welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing my very first Louis Vuitton vintage purchase. So I was at the Louis Vuitton store weeks ago and I was checking for the Neverfull and the GM size because I was thinking of using that for the spring and summer. So I wasn't really very pleased with the canvas. The canvas seems to be a little bit flimsy. It's on the thinner side. So I was on the internet, I was on the website looking around, see what else they have. And I came across on this website. It is actually called a DCT Vintage luxury store. And they do have a lot of items there, vintage items. And yes, the Neverfull is a little bit on the pricey side, but for some reason, I found this particular item. This is the Louis Vuitton Monogram sack shopping shoulder bag, and it has like a similar style to it. It is big and it's roomy, but what really excites me to get the vintage purse rather than getting the one that's at the store, the new ones, is that I could still remember that I have several purses here that's already been vintage, and the canvas is amazing. The canvas is really thick, and regardless if you wanted to fold it or whatever you do with it, the canvas is still beautiful, and I kept them in pristine condition. They are still perfect even after 15 years or so. They are still beautiful. And I found this on the website, this particular item, and I was surprised because I tried to compare it with other websites as well, with the pricing and other stuff. And this particular item, probably around $500 to $600. And this one on the website, this was actually described as poor condition because the strap there's some issues with the strap. But anyway, I have the item here, so I'm already explaining the purse itself. I haven't even unboxed it yet. But anyway, let me open. So this one came all the way from Japan, and they actually package it like this. And the shipping is really fast, lightning fast. I got this when I placed an order. They gave me a tracking information, and the next 3 days, I received the item. So it came out like this. So I got this one a few days ago, but I needed to sanitize the box so I could bring it in and then leave it there for a day. So let me open this box in here. Okay. So here it is. Wow, they actually wrapped this one with a bubble wrap. So this is how it looks. So let me just put this one away. So this is how it looks with a bubble wrap. And also they also have this in their own packaging as well. So I think, okay, this one, okay. So let me just take this on this side. Okay, this is the bag, guys. Oh my gosh. So this is like the little dust bag that they came with the packaging. And here comes the bag. Wow. I mean, I can already feel right now that this one is made up of very thick canvas, and it's durable. It's really like made of a really durable material, guys, with the previous canvas. But let me just see. Okay, let me just try. Okay, there is no smell on the inside. No, there is no foul smell or anything like that, because I know that I've heard that some of the vintage items I mean, my item, my purses didn't have like any smell at all. With all my purses that I have in my collection, I didn't no smelling at all. I always take care of the interior of my bag. But this one for a vintage, no, I didn't. There's no foul smell at all. So let me just try to. It's a little bit like dusty though. Wow, it's a little bit dusty. Okay. So this is how it looks, the bag itself. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. The material is really thick. The canvas is very, very thick. That's what I like about the vintage bags, guys. Because, I mean, this is not the Neverfull that I saw at the store. It's not even close to the canvas that they used many years ago. Wow. So this one, so the issues that I have, this one actually described as a poor condition because the website described this as some scratches, some abrasions, stains, discolorations, tears and cracks on the leather, and also with the rubs as well. So yeah, this one were actually in poor condition. But so far, looking at it right now with the canvas itself, the canvas seems to look, it's like it's beautiful. The only issue that I saw this on the website is the strap. Right here, the strap, you could see the strap right here is it's about to fall off. Right there. And also on the side as well. But regardless if I would buy a second hand, still I have to change the strap because this is the part where you actually get the most wear. So definitely, you know, I would change the strap. So I decided to purchase this, and I got this for $214. I'm not sure if it's worth it. I don't know, but looking at it right now based on the canvas is amazingly beautiful. Looking at the bottom right there, I didn't see any sort of rubs around the corner as being described. On this side, I did not see like any like sort of peeling. Nothing at all. It's still like the canvas is intact. So another thing that what makes me worry about this purchase is that I was just hoping that everything were described accurately, that there is no issues with the canvas. There's no crack on the canvas, because I know that Louis Vuitton actually didn't even want to touch anything or didn't even want to repair the items that has cracks in it. But so far, I'm probably gonna have to inspect this later on. So this is more of like an unboxing. And this one, the inside, okay. The inside I didn't see, like, there were a little bit of stains though, but not like a lot. The inside is actually pretty clean, guys. The inside is pretty clean. The inside, it's pretty clean. And also this one, I got this one right here. It says they're made in France. Let's take a look at the zipper. The zipper seems to be smooth. Okay. And then this one right here, this D-ring right here, this is where you could find the date code. On mine, it says here MB0050. So this was made on the 5th week of 2000. So this is 21 years old. And yeah, it seems to look like so this one here is actually lined with fabric. I like that this one is lined with fabric. I think I remember I saw that it was lined with something else, more of like something that you could actually lined with, I don't know what was the lining that they have, but more of like wipeable lining inside. But I prefer this compared to the wipeable ones, because the wipeable ones tend to get sticky over time. But yes, this one is also lined here with the canvas as well. Wow, the canvas is very thick, very nice. So let me just look at the vachetta right here in the corner. It looks like the vachetta right here seems to look fine. On the other side as well, it seems like the vachetta looks like it patinaed nicely though. I really like the vintage look of it. I'm probably gonna have to leave it as it is and just change the strap itself. So I wonder how much it would cost just for the strap itself. And now I am going to take a look. The one that I am really scared the most is if there's checking if there's any sort of cracks or issues with the canvas. Looking at it right now here at the top, there is none. There's nothing. Wow, very thick. I just can't get over of how durable this canvas is. On the side where you normally get a lot of wear, none. Even though that there is right here in the piping, you could see the piping is fading. That's normal. I didn't see any sort of, I did not see any wear on this corner right here on this side. No chipping, peeling, or on the corner. Beautiful. The outside canvas is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so okay, that's intact. Now let's move on to right here at the top. Okay, hold on. Right here in the top, I didn't see any sort. Am I probably going to be able to? I have to really take a closer look on this purse because I just opened this and I know that by the quick look, you're not going to be able to see those imperfections. But I really, but so far, with what I paid for this, I paid $214 for this, and it's free shipping. So far, looking at, is that a crack? No, it's not. That's just the, okay, and the other side. Oh, I saw a crack. Too bad. I saw a crack right at the corner. Despite of how thick the canvas is, I saw a crack. You guys see that? If you guys could see that part right here, there is a crack right there. Yeah, that was not being disclosed on the description. If I have known that there is a crack over on that part, I probably didn't purchase it. But the problem is that when I purchased it, it was already too late. That asking them if there's any the item has already been shipped. The shipping is lightning fast. That's the thing. I was able to get a tracking information the same day I purchased the item. So yeah, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to see what they could do with this, or probably gonna have to bring this to Louis Vuitton, see what they would their thoughts about this. They might probably gonna have, even though I just needed this the strap right here, but the policy says that they are not gonna even bother to touch anything, purses that has cracks to it. They're not going to repair it. I know they're not repairing the cracks, but I just really wanted to get this strap replaced. But I don't know what they're going to do with that, but I'm probably going to have to try and see if they would just replace the strap. Everything else seems to look great. The canvas looks perfect to me, aside from the one at the corner. The corner here is perfect. This corner right here, I don't know what's causing the crack on that, but yeah, yeah, it is. It's like this much though. It's cracked, but the crack seems to camouflage because of the color of the bag. It's just like of the right here, the corner. since there is like the ending for the stitching right here at the corner, it seems like the cracks tends to camouflage on the color of the bag, like the lining right here. So it's not very visible though, but if you look at it closely, you could see that there is a cracking right there. So far, the vachetta here it's really nice, but on the handle, yeah, it's pretty bad. It's about to fall off. Really bad on this side as well, yeah. Really bad. And this one, I would like to use this for summer. This is like such a really nice bag for summer, where you just throw everything in a bag, and yeah, it would be like perfect. But let me just do one thing. Oh yeah, I could actually pull this one, the interior lining, which is nice. So I could clean it thoroughly, so that is really good. But so far there is no major staining around it, which is really good. So yeah, this is my unboxing, my very first purchase, vintage Louis Vuitton purchase. And let's see, I'm gonna come back later on for another video once I clean this one up. And also I'm going to bring this one at Louis Vuitton store and see what they could do with the purse itself. I just hope they're not gonna even bother to look at the cracks on this corner right here and then refuse for a repair in this. But really, the issues got nothing to do with this corner right here. It's just only here on the strap itself. But there is a lot of life left on this purse. Literally, looking at it, the condition right now with the canvas is amazing. And I don't think if I would use this, I don't think that would, yeah, it's just, I don't know what's causing the crack in here, right here on the inside though. I have no idea what's causing that, but it's just, looking at it right now with the crack, the canvas that they use is very, very thick though. And it's just like this much. But I don't know what's causing that. But on the other side, it's perfect. Perfect. No issues at all. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. I will be right back for an update video on this vintage restoration project. So yeah, I am so excited. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.